Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to hide like count on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app. And then go to Profile. If you go through your posts, you'll see the like count and who liked your post is visible. In order to change that, tap on the three dots above the post. From here, select Hide Like Count. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, leave a like, share, and subscribe.